Bluechips has been in the market 20 years.
It's about reliability, honesty.
We are adaptable and we adapt to our customers' needs.
Yeah, quality first.
We focus on continuous improvement.
From concept to final product under one roof.
We're looking for a long-term relationship with our customer and we want to know the people personally.
We have an international team. We have engineers from all over the world.
We offer a full service experience to our customers.
I would describe Bluechips as a company that's customer-centered, that focus solely on the customer.
We have now approximately 400 people, still growing slightly over the next couple of years. At least that's the plan.
Bluechips has been in the market 20 years, and to be honest, personally, I'm impressed with what Bluechips has achieved in the last 20 years. In Bluechips, we have 5 SMT lines. We also have capabilities of selective wave and wave soldering machines. We have X-ray machines. We also are able to do chip on board, wire bonding. We also do final assembly. So this gives us the advantage of being more competitive on the lead times. So we don't need to outsource, we can do all in-house.
I think it's important to have from concept to final product under one roof because we can offer that kind of support and we can work as a team to achieve the results.
We concentrate mainly on small lot size and we concentrate a little bit on automation technology and sensoric. I never saw the big quantities in the German market. These are all family business basically, which have small and medium-sized quantities.
The R&D department is the heart of the company. The R&D department, it enables customer projects to be developed, and those are projects from concepts or projects that may be already started on the customer end and they need additional resources to continue it.
We have more than 17, 18 different nationalities working in Bluechips, so it is a very international team.
We have engineers from all over the world. We have engineers from Europe, from parts of Asia, from the US, from South America. So we are well posed to approach any issue, any problem from an international thought concept.
Our international key account team, customer service, can speak several languages: French, Spanish, German, Thai, English. So for us, maintaining a good relation and constant communication with our customers is very important.
We have a sales office in Germany. If there is something very urgent, our salespeople will visit the customer.
We focus on continuous improvement, making sure we deliver the best quality, the best products to our customers.
The quality is our highest priority.
Electronics is a very fast-changing market, so for us it's very important to constantly invest in new machinery to offer the best technology available to our customers.
This is high-tech industry. The requirement for machinery, the requirement for software, the requirement for people is always increasing. So we're just trying to keep pace with these new customer requirements.